Hi everyone! Welcome to Let's Learn English. In this video, we're going to talk about adverbs, what they are, how they're used, and the different types of adverbs. So, what are adverbs? Adverbs are words that modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They describe how, when, where, how often, or to what extent an action is performed. Let's take this sentence, she sings beautifully. In this sentence, the adverb beautifully modifies the verb sings to describe how she sings. There are different types of adverbs. Adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of manner, adverbs of degree, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of purpose. Let's go over each type of adverb in more detail. Adverbs of time. Adverbs of time describe when an action takes place. For example, she arrived early or he usually goes to bed at 10 p.m. In the first sentence, the adverb early modifies the verb arrive to describe when she arrived. And in the second sentence, the adverb usually modifies the verb goes to describe when he goes to bed. Adverbs of place. Adverbs of place describe where an action takes place. For example, he looked everywhere for his keys or the dog ran outside. In first sentence, the adverb everywhere modifies the verb look to describe where he looked for his keys. And in second sentence, the adverb outside modifies the verb ran to describe where the dog ran. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner describe how an action is performed. For example, she sings beautifully or he drove carefully. In first sentence, the adverb beautifully modifies the verb sings to describe how she sings. And in second sentence, the adverb carefully modifies the verb drove to describe how he drove. Adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree describe the intensity or extent of an action. For example, she's very intelligent or he's extremely tired. In first sentence, the adverb very modifies the adjective intelligent to describe the degree of intelligence. And in second sentence, the adverb extremely modifies the adjective tired to describe the degree of tiredness. Adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency describe how often an action takes place. For example, I always wake up early or he rarely eats junk food. In first sentence, the adverb always modifies the verb wake up to describe his regular wake-up routine. And in second sentence, the adverb rarely modifies the verb eats to describe how often he eats junk food. Adverbs of purpose. Adverbs of purpose describe the reason or purpose behind an action. For example, she studied hard and accordingly passed the exam. In this sentence, accordingly is used to show that her hard work led to the expected result of passing the exam. Finally, let's talk about the placement of adverbs. Placement of adverbs. Adverbs can be placed in different parts of a sentence, and their placement can change the meaning of the sentence. For example, she only eats fish and she eats only fish have different meanings. The most common placement of adverbs is before the verb they modify, but they can also be placed at the beginning or end. Thank you for watching this video on adverbs and their types. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.